Hi, today we're going to talk about how to use hashtags in your TikTok video. I started my channel a little over 6 months ago now, and I've seen pretty good growth with it. Over 400,000 followers and well over 25 million views on my videos. And I think the hashtags definitely play an important role in it. So I'm going to go through how to use hashtags plus a few other tips that you can use to see exponential growth on your TikTok channel. So let's jump into it. So I'm going to go through this on the computer, even though you're probably going to do this on your mobile phone, but it's pretty similar. What I just clicked on is upload a video, and it's in a different spot on your phone, but these hashtags are what are so important. It's just like your keywords for search engine optimization, for whether it's YouTube or a blog. And the biggest mistake that I see people make is they go after hashtags that are too big. And what that means is I kind of focus on iPhone tricks. If I just type in iPhone, there's 38.7 billion views. The chance of people seeing my video if I go for a hashtag like iPhone, especially if I have under 1,000 or 10,000 followers, is pretty slim. So what you can do is something called hashtag alphabet. And what you do is after you type your keyword, then I can type in A and see, okay, am I going to talk about an app or accessories? No. Okay, how about B? Let me see. Nope. Okay, how about V? Videography. Okay, that might be a good one. Now, they're still in the millions here, and when you get started, I highly recommend you try to stay around that 100,000 mark, because then people are going to see your video. Much better chance of it. So if I type in for here iPhone tricks, that still has 5.4 billion views on it. So if I type in iPhone tricks and hacks, now up still 19 million. Let me see, and I go A here. All right, let me see. All right, let's B. Okay, and what I want to do is try, iPhone trick booster, 2,500 views. There's a good chance that people are going to see those. So let's say I pick that one. Okay, now I'm going to go through, back to iPhone. What else can I come up with? And you just kind of go through what's called the alphabet, A, B, C, and make sure it's still relevant to the video and to the things that you're going to talk about. Another thing that's really important is being consistent with posting videos. I see people that'll post 2 or 3 videos over a 1 month or 2 month time span, and then they wonder, man, why am I not getting the views? Why am I not getting the attention? And when I first started, what I did was I posted 2 to 3 videos a day, and then there were some days as many as 5 videos, and that really got me off to a real strong start. So if you haven't started posting videos, I would try to look at your topic and come up with a good 10 videos. Maybe you can post a minimum of 1 a day when you get started, but if you have enough material, I would shoot for that 2 to 3 a day to see the most impact. You're going to get out to more people, and then TikTok will see that, boy, you're really creating lots of content, so they're more likely to show your videos. The last thing I want to show you that'll really help your channel grow is how to find videos that are going viral, but I don't want to show you on the computer. So let's jump over to the phone, and I can kind of walk you through that a little better step by step. Okay, I'm here on my TikTok channel, and what you want to do in this app is you want to go down to the bottom and click Discover. And when you do that, what you can do is you can go into the search bar and type in whatever niche you're in. For me, it would be iPhone. And then I can look through all of these different subjects. Let's say I want to look at tricks here. I can look at some of the different top users. I can get a better idea of what they're talking about. I can also look at not only how many likes they've had on each video, but also I want to also look at the hashtags that they're using as well. This is really helpful. And don't just stick with one word. You want to look, for me, I would want to look at hacks. I would want to look at tips. and just kind of go through, just almost like you did with the alphabet keyword before. Go through and try to find as many videos you can that relate to your topic. You don't want to copy them exactly. You want to put your own spin on it. You don't want to just copy the exact thing that the other creators have already done, but it'll really help give you some great ideas on topics that you can talk about. Okay, we just covered the basics. Now it's up to you and do the most important step, which is start creating videos. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, I'd love a thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Make it a great day.